السلام عليكم جميعا ومرحبا بكم في درس جديد لهذا اليوم. Hello and welcome to a new lesson in our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned some words related to transportations in Arabic. In this episode, you are going to learn some words related to apartment in Arabic. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with the word apartment, which means شقة. شقة. For example, I live in an apartment, which means أنا أعيش في شقة. أنا أعيش في شقة. Rent, which means استأجر. استأجر. For example, I rented an apartment, which means أنا استأجرت شقة. أنا استأجرت شقة. The next one is door, which means باب. باب. For example, the door is open, which means الباب مفتوح. الباب مفتوح. Key, which means مفتاح. مفتاح. For example, where is my car key? Which means أين مفتاح سيارتي؟ أين مفتاح سيارتي؟ Neighbor, which means جار or جارة. جار, you use it for a male, and جارة, you use it for a female. For example, she is my neighbor, which means هي جارتي. هي جارتي. Let's take the same example but for a male. He is my neighbor, which means هو جاري. هو جاري. And the last one, stairs, which means درج. درج. For example, the stairs lead to the roof, which means الدرج يؤدي إلى السطح. الدرج يؤدي إلى السطح. Now let's have a small quiz. I will give you 2 sentences and you have to give me the translation in Arabic. The first one is, the door is open. The door is open. The second one is, she is my neighbor. She is my neighbor. If you got the correct answer, don't forget to drop it in the comments down below. We reached the end of our episode today, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you again. And don't forget that practicing makes perfect. إلى اللقاء. Bye.